Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the device listen. Enable the microphone and grant permissions now. Once done, pick a wake word or enable push-to-talk so the system knows when to respond. Make sure you are signed into the voice service and connected to Wi-Fi because authentication and network latency affect reliability. You'll test immediately. Say the wake word, then a simple command like play music. This confirms the prerequisites and gets the process moving without delay. You now focus on how to speak commands so the assistant succeeds. Start with clear verbs, play, set, call, and include required details like contact names or exact addresses. The system needs context to act. Once comfortable, try chaining. Say one command then another in order because many assistants support sequential tasks. Make sure to pause slightly between phrases when chaining and use confirmations. Ask, "Did you mean X?" to reduce mistakes. Since clarity minimizes, you finish by confirming actions and tightening settings. After a command, check the screen or listen for a verbal confirmation so you know it worked. Then make adjustments. Change language, mic sensitivity, and control personal data access to protect privacy. If something fails, try a quick troubleshoot. Restart the device, inspect the microphone, and recheck app permissions. This often fixes issues. Finally, practice common commands until responses become reliable and your workflow feels natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.